In this video, we will show you how to change our region on Windows 11. To change our region on Windows 11, it's very easy. First, you can type the time on your Windows search bar and you can select change the date and time. After that, in here, you can see your region is United States. To change your region, just click this button or the text and you will redirect into the region page. You can select another region if you want. For example, you can select United Kingdom. Then, if you see in the time and language, your region has been changed into United Kingdom. And that's all. Tutorial how you can change your region on Windows 11 with easy. Hope this video helpful for you.